1 year and 3 months as a real estate agent. What is it like? How is it going? What am I doing? And why am I doing this? I'm gonna answer all those questions today. Just stay to the end of the video to figure out. If you've been following this channel, I said the first year I wanted to make 30, the second year I wanted to make 60, and I passed that. Hopefully 100 within this calendar year, 100 for sure within my second year, because my second year is up like July or June. So we still have a bunch of time. With $100,000 in knowledge in my first year and $250,000 in knowledge in my second year, I feel like I passed that 100%. Now, the ultimate challenge is to get to 5 years successfully, because they say once you get to 5 years, you've pretty much established yourself as an agent. Now, granted, I'm 1 year and 3 months in and I'm very successful, more successful than most agents at this stage. However, I can't get comfortable. I have anxiety because I only have one deal in escrow right now. I know I have buyers shopping, but there's only one deal in escrow. I know my rent's paid until January, but there's only one deal in escrow. And realistically, that's the life of an agent. There's a lot of ups and downs to this game. I've kept the same habits. I make my calls every single day, or at least when I can. Some days I can't because I'm showing, and on those days I do feel guilty, but I shouldn't because I'm doing my job still. But I program myself to believe the only job that I need to do is call. Everything else is kind of like a side quest. Opening doors and showing the house is not necessarily even a job. It's fun. Writing an offer, making calls, filing paperwork, that's the job part of this. I guess I could pat myself on the back for continuing to stay busy and continuing to work hard. It's really nice now that I don't have to do Uber Eats every single day to survive, which is fantastic. I'm grateful for that. And I try to remind myself, because as an agent, you go through these emotions as like the highest of the highs and the lowest of the lows. Especially at the beginning, it's kind of rough to go through the storm, but you really have to go through the storm. On the other side, it's so much better. I remember my split at the beginning was 50-50. Now it's 60-40, and that 10% is so useful. Let me tell you. On a $10,000 deal, instead of $5,000, I get $6,000. And I know it's just an extra $1,000, but it is so useful. And that's not the end goal, obviously, but it's just, you have to put in your time, you have to work hard, you have to put your head down and know that there's going to be a lot of ups and downs. And for every easy client, there's going to be a hard client. But just know, if you stay down long enough, you'll get there.